How many of these statements are relevant for you? Every other day, you drag yourself to your job. Every small thing irritates you. You find your job as a source of income alone. You are more bothered about office politics than your work. Well, if any of these statements are relevant for you, then there is a mismatch of these three things: the values, the skill sets, and the interest. Whenever there is a disconnect between these three, you will find these symptoms. This was the case with one of my clients. He was having around 14 years of experience and he was working in one of the top IT organizations. He was stuck in his job for more than 8 years and he was not enjoying his job. He was getting irritated on small things. That's where we started our coaching program. The very first thing I did when we started our program was I helped him understand his personality, his interest, and his needs. Once he understood that, then I helped him do a value system exercise. And what I found was 4 major value systems which was driving his career. Number 1, he wanted recognition for his work. He wanted accomplishments, he wanted growth, and he wanted limelight. Along with that, he also wanted some meaning to his work. Then when it comes to skill set, his skill set was not a problem. The problem he was facing was to align those values. The skills in terms of technology was existing, but the skills in terms of people skill was missing. Based on his personality, he was lacking communication skill, he was lacking marketing skills, along with that he was also lacking to make his presence feel in the organization. Due to which his value systems was not getting matched because people were not recognizing his work, and when they were not recognizing his work, he was not getting accomplishment, he was not getting fulfillment, and he was not getting eventually the recognition which he deserved. Then based on this situation, we created a curriculum, and that curriculum I helped him understand different personalities, the way to communicate, how to expand his network, and how to make his presence feel. In 6 months, once he was able to do this, lot of things started changing in his work. He started getting recognition from his manager, he started getting appreciation from his colleagues and clients, and this started giving him satisfaction. The moment his value system was getting matched, he started enjoying his job. In fact, he started taking initiative to learn new things. Not only that much, because he was stuck in his profile for 8 years, his income was also quite less. Then he switched to another organization, and in the new organization he got 60% hike. That is the power when you align your values, your skills, and your interest. Now, if you are in a similar situation in your life, do not stop, do not suffocate, take help. This is the right time for you to sit around and reflect. After reflecting, find out what is missing and then drop me a message and let me help you to grow to your full potential. It was great talking to you. I'll talk to you in my next video.